Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the levels here that I talked about from Thursday definitely played a big role. Unfortunately for me as a trader, I missed the trade. I talked about in the previous video from Thursday of 493 being a breakdown area, and you can see the price has now broken down below there. So like I said, I unfortunately missed the trade, but that line has served its purpose for now. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and use that here in just a second. But the first update I want to do is just continue to extend this trend line down. I talked about this as being an area of resistance going into today, and you can see that as of now, that is still totally in play. So that remains a level where if there is any sort of turnaround, you know there's going to be a bunch of breakout players that are sitting here watching, and rightfully so. It's not illogical at all to be thinking this way. Well, they're going to be watching, wondering, if the price can get up there and then get a break up through it, is that break right there going to create some upside buying pressure? Again, not a guaranteed to happen, but a more than valid thought to have. So continue to watch that resistance line right there, because that remains the main trend line from the resistance side of things that'll matter most. As far as newest levels of support now, the level here that, again, I think a lot of people will be watching is going to now be right at that 488 mark. So 488 becomes one of those levels where if the price comes down here, hovers around, and then breaks down through it once more, same logic as up here at the resistance trend line. No guarantees, but a more than valid thought to have. You know what? If that level breaks, is that going to create some additional downside selling pressure? So definitely you want to keep a close eye on that. And if that level does, is broken, then the next area of support down here right around that 475 area. So all in all, now as far as the week is concerned, an absolutely, beautiful week. Big move up. Pulling back here, just doing some consolidating, but from more, like I said, of a trading standpoint, these are going to be the main levels to watch very closely next week. So let's see how the price continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.